going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 18, y'all. Can y'all believe Vlogmas Day 18? I'm on my lunch break, so I decided to go to Chick-fil-A because they have those, they give away like 12 days to Christmas. They give you like a free item away and stuff on Sundays. So today is like a peppermint shake and you have to pick up the same day or the coupon is going to expire. And I'm like, let me just try this little peppermint milkshake, and I wanted like some fries, and I was going to go home and watch me like a little TV show or some YouTube or whatever. And then I'm trying to determine, am I going to wash my daughter's hair today? Her hair appointment is tomorrow. She wants me to pick her up from school early and take her hair down and wash it, but her daddy was like she shouldn't be leaving school early for it, so we might have to end up just taking it down, and she's gonna have to just do what she gotta do, try to wear something over her head to kind of like cover it up. And she got like, you know, her little Thanksgiving hairstyle up just like I do. My hair appointment's on Thursday. I need to be taking my hair down as well. But yeah, so we're just gonna try to get this day started, y'all. It's gonna probably be really simple. It's either, if I do wash her hair, I'm gonna like film it and do a really good you know, hair wash thing. You know, I feel like I get like a lot of views on there. I feel like y'all like that. I'm still trying to develop our niche for our family. Truth be told, I really want it to be like, you know, vlogging here and there. I want it mainly on like cooking and doing like hair. Okay, so stay tuned, y'all. All right, I'm trying to hold my phone and record and pick up my food at the same time. That's why I missed my camera. Sephora. And look, I'm so far away. Thank you. Yeah, I was so far away. Like I said, I just got me a large fry because I wanted some fries in a shake. And I had to pay for nothing because I had points for my fries, and the milkshake was free. Get into it. It's very festive. So if you haven't tried it or not, I don't know. Maybe you should try it. I'll let y'all know. I don't know how it tastes, so I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna taste it first. I'm just gonna turn this over, flop that or whatever. Go home. I'm just ready to watch some TV, y'all. Work is like a drag. Like when it's almost like time for me to take PTO, I just be ready. I just be ready to get off of work and not work. I be wanting to just get through all the little festivities. I did get a notification today about my camera that everything it's all what messed up with the button is within the warranty, so I would not have to pay for that. So that's good, because I was a little afraid that I was gonna have to pay for something that they, you know, insurance says they like to pretend like everything is never within the warranty. But I'm happy that they did say it's within the warranty, and I'm going to get that fixed. It's probably going to take like a couple of days, so I probably will not have it back before Christmas. They said like at least 3 to 6 business days after they fix it before they send it back. So I have it before New Year's Eve. Alright, y'all, so y'all can tell by the title of this video, I'm really talking about traditions, specifically Christmas Eve traditions, because my Christmas Day is usually a little bit different. So on Christmas Eve, about 4 p.m., we start settling down as a family. We start taking showers, and we start getting ready to put on our matching Christmas pajamas. So whoever comes out first, like I let the kids go one by one, of course. And whoever goes first and they come out, they get dressed, I start taking pictures of them. And then while, you know, take pictures of them individually, and then I may just hop in the shower myself, get a little one a bath, and then put his pajamas on, take him one individually. And then once my husband, he gets showered and, you know, put his pajamas on, take his, you know, picture individually, and then we all take them together. And then we just start doing like me and Aubrey, my daughter, then me and Kaylin, then all the kids together. And then my husband and the kids, my husband and with my niece and the kids, whatever. We just started doing that. After that, we go head downstairs while we're in our Christmas pajamas. We have Christmas music playing, we're dancing, we're talking, and I'm doing chicken and waffles. I make chicken and waffles every year. I don't fry the chicken. One year my husband did fry the chicken, but for the most part, because I don't want the house smelling like that, I just go buy the fried chicken from, I don't know, maybe JJ's, Sharks, or whoever I decide. It's usually between JJ's and Sharks. I go buy some crispy fried chicken, and I make some waffles myself, and I always do toppings with the waffles. So we do like whipped cream, or we do like chocolate chips or sprinkles. I let the girls choose between those two. toppings. So just pause. So because we do it every year, I decided I wanted to switch it up and say, let's do a seafood boil. So I asked Aubrey. She was like, no, I don't want to do a seafood. I really want to keep with the chicken and waffles. That's what we've been doing. I love that. She said, but you can ask Kaylin. I called Kaylin, and she was like, which is my niece, and she was like, I know you lying. I know you lying. And she was like, no, I lying on the chicken and waffles or whatever. So I'm just like, okay, I'm going to keep it that way. My mama, her fiance, they're coming over on Christmas Eve. So my waffle makers makes 4 small square waffles at a time, but they're big enough. Like they're not like mini or anything. So I'm gonna make that for them, those waffles, and so it's gonna be really easy. It's not gonna take me long to make those waffles. They're gonna have the chicken, their fried chicken or whatever with it. Me and my husband, we plan on eating hungry AF. If we don't decide nothing else, or I may eat the chicken and waffles like I normally eat with them. I just kind of wanted to switch it up myself. So anyways, after all of that, what do? We start to, we bake cookies. We bake cookies and we pop some popcorn. So first we really I let them, how do I let them do that? No. This is what they do. I'm gonna scratch that. I'm like, how the heck I do that? I'm like, that's just too much. So what they do is they pop popcorn and we put it in this Grinch bucket that I do have. And we drink, and then they have these Grinch cups. They pick a movie, we watch a movie together. Like 30 minutes before the movie is about to end, I either pause the movie and allow them to help me make cookies, or I just let them continue to make watch the movie while I bake the cookies. Then we have these, I'd always do like a chocolate chip cookies with like Christmas sprinkles on it, or sometimes just plain cookies. And then I also have like these Santa Claus plates with like a black Santa Claus. And I put theirs on, like there's 3 of them, so I give each kid like 2 to 3 cookies or whatever. Then they have like these Santa Claus cups with straws, and they get milk in there, and we call it a night. Okay, we after a while, me and my husband, we're getting exhausted. We call it a night. Once they get sound asleep, we bring out the little ones' toys, because theirs is already, as you can see behind here, already did theirs. But so they just got one more bag that's coming, which is their taste bag. So we start putting out the little ones' toys, and then we all just go to sleep. On Christmas Day, every year, my husband, he makes us breakfast. He gets up at 7 a.m., or maybe 6 something in the morning. He just starts cooking. Eggs, scrambled eggs, grits, chicken sausage, sometimes bacon. And we eat that. He wakes us up at 7 a.m. We all be like, oh, I don't want to go. I don't want to get up because it's so early. He just be so hyped. This man don't like getting up early at all. But on Christmas morning, he gets up. So that's what we do. On Christmas Day, we either go with family or we cook at home. This year, we did opt to cook at home and stay home because the kids never want to come out their pajamas. And I'm like, I want to stay in some pajamas too. We get up so early, like let us get a nap. Have to work the next day, so it's just be a lot or whatever. But for the most part, I'm just gonna list my traditions: is chicken and waffles for dinner on Christmas Eve. Then we're gonna make popcorn, watch a Christmas movie, and then we're gonna bake cookies and drink milk with that. And we're gonna call it a night and put this kids' toys out. So it's pretty much really, really simple, nothing special. But I do enjoy like the chicken and waffles for them, and they get to like put the whipped cream on, decorate it themselves. It's always so cute, and I don't know, they like it. So I love it. Like I'm like, who am I to stop that? I didn't really have much for today because I was supposed to wash our hair. However, I will do that tomorrow before her hair appointment. And then that way I can show y'all the big reveal. And then get my hair done on Thursday. So anyways, y'all, thanks for watching Vlogmas Day 18, y'all. Okay, Vlogmas Day 18. Check out Vlogmas Day 19. Thank you all for watching. I'm so tired, y'all. Like and subscribe, comment down below. Let me know. I be getting some of y'all be watching, keep coming back. Can y'all just say something in the comments, please? Okay, I want to interact and get to know y'all, all right? But I can see on my app, like, I have some returning subscribers, and I'm curious to know who you are. Like, can you say something? Okay? All right, y'all. Bye.